BNB, we start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And based on daily chart, all right, we want to see the breakout of the 700. Anyway, we start with higher time frame. We want to see what we have been looking for. Based on the monthly chart, after the price break the all-time high, tag the all-time high, then we see this correction. The price was consolidating within this range, 700, 500 and 700 for quite a long time. And we didn't have the update again for quite a long time, but since after we get this drop, we come up with the 500 support, and we mentioned with the breakout of the this top, we are not referring to this one, with the breakout of this is the all-time high, then we can look for, this is what I explained in my last analysis and what I'm going to explain now. After the breakout, we're looking for 890 following by 1.1k. Then with the breakout of this zone, we can come up how high it can go. But at least with the breakout of this top, this is somewhere around 900 following by 1.1k. This is what we're looking for. And if anyone wants to look for buy at this point, first, whoever get the trade for buy within this range, now they should now at least book some profit in case there is no breakout. And mostly we're going to see the breakout. That's why if the break with the breakout of this, then any opportunity for buy, for me, I will take it. It doesn't mean at this point we cannot look for trade. We can take the trade based on flag, based on 1 hour chart, but I prefer to see the breakout of the desktop, which is at least I try to look for buy above 700. What's this one? So it's exactly 700. And the second things, can we could look at this one as a divergence? If there is a breakout, yes, we have a divergence, but at this point, we are not going to care about that because it's a monthly chart. Okay, then we move to lower time frame, weekly chart. Even based on weekly, if there is a the price breaks 700 or even this top somewhere around 720, we will have a divergence again. Monthly and weekly chart, we are not going to care about the divergence even since the overall market is moving. The only thing is, after the breakout of the all-time high, any opportunity for buy, we will take it. Can we buy now? If we get a trade setup, we can look for buy. But we should know how to manage if there is no breakout because of this. But we're going to break and continue. We are not going to get the next drop. Okay? At least we should know how to manage if trade doesn't move in our direction. All right. Can we look for even based on daily chart? Okay. We are not going to look at the divergence because with the breakout of 700, all these things will disappear. I don't see the trade setup. The only thing is we're looking for the trade setup. Forward chart, no trade setup. And whoever had the entry above this one, I don't know, it's not a trade setup, but if anyone did, because they are buying at the all-time high. At least we have to see the breakout, we have to see the confirmation before we take the next trade. Okay, that's why I mentioned with the breakout of the 700 at least, then I will look for the trade. Now, even based on 1 hour chart, I don't see any trade setup. We have to wait for the trade setup. We have to look for the flag. The only things I can highlight here that with the breakout of the all-time high based on monthly chart, we can look for 890. All right, following by 1.130. Then with the breakout of this zone, we can conclude with the breakout of 1.1k, then we can conclude what's the highest price we can expect. But at this point, this is the only things we can say. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, then I will share. Thanks.